Hey guys, and welcome to Alpha Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of connectivity with the Minisopuru 13-in-1 DisplayLink docking station. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your MacBook M1/M2 or Windows/Chrome OS device, stick around as we unbox this powerhouse of connectivity. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As we open up the package, we're greeted with the Minisopuru docking station, ready to revolutionize the way you work and play. Inside, we find some essential components, like the DisplayLink drivers stored on a USB for easy installation, and a surprisingly high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable. This is the power supply. It says it outputs 12 volts at 3 amps. And finally, this is the Minisopuru 13-in-1 docking station. It has sleek matte finish body that exudes sophistication and adds a touch of modernity to any workspace. The front panel boasts an array of ports, including 2 USB, a 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, all offering lightning-fast data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. Plus, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack and 2 additional USB, a 2.0 ports for convenient data transfer or charging. Turning to the back, we find even more connectivity options. From the DC input for powering the docking station to the USB PD charging port, everything is designed with efficiency in mind. And let's not forget about the 2 HDMI ports and 2 DisplayPort inputs, delivering stunning 4K visuals at 60 Hz. Whether you're a Windows user, Chrome OS aficionado, or even rocking Ubuntu or Android, this docking station has got you covered. So the Minisopuru 13-in-1 DisplayLink docking station is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their setup and maximize productivity. Whether you're a creative professional, a multitasking guru, or just someone who loves their gadgets, this docking station is sure to impress. If you have a plan to buy this, be sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.